आज हम बात करेंगे अपने इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग के बारे में। सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ सॉलिड्स। प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ सॉलिड्स, डेफिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड देखते हैं सबसे पहले। अ सॉलिड इज अ थ्री डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड थिकनेस. इट इज कम्प्लीटली बॉन्डेड बाय सरफेस और सरफेस विच मे बी कर्व और प्लेन। मतलब जिसको लेंथ रहती है, ब्रेथ रहती है, थिकनेस रहती है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सॉलिड कहते हैं। The shape of the solid is described by drawing two orthogonal views, usually on the two principal plane, that is the HP and PP. For some complicated solids, in addition to the above principal views, side view is also required. मतलब बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, उसके लिए सिर्फ फ्रंट या टॉप भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी हमको क्या यूज़ करना पड़ता है, इसका साइड व्यू भी यूज़ करना पड़ता है। A solid is an aggregate of points, lines and planes, and all problems of projection of solids will dissolve themselves into the projection of points, lines and planes. Classification of solids. So solids may be divided into two main groups. First is polyhedra and second is solids of revolution. So polyhedra. A polyhedra is defined as a solid bounded by planes called faces which meet in a straight line called edges. पॉलिहेड्रा मतलब क्या आता है, जिसको क्या रहते हैं, प्लेन्स रहते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फेसेस बोलते हैं। और क्या करते हैं, एक जगह पे वो मीट होता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ एजेस, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? पॉलिहेड्रा कहते हैं। देयर आर 7 रेगुलर पॉलिहेड्रा विच मे बी डिफाइंड एज स्टेटेड बिलो। फर्स्ट इज प्रिज्म, सेकंड पिरामिड, टेट्राहेड्रॉन, क्यूब और हेक्साहेड्रॉन, ऑक्टाहेड्रॉन, डोडेकाहेड्रॉन and icosahedron. Next, prism. So it is a polyhedron having two equal and similar faces, called its ends or bases, parallel to each other and joined by the other faces which are rectangles. So this is the triangular prism. The imaginary line joining the centers of the faces or faces is called as the axis. This is the axis, this is the bottom face, this is the top face, and this is the triangular faces. This is the axis, this is the faces. This is called as the edge. Next, according to the shape of the base, prism can be subclassified into the following types. Triangular prism. This is called as a triangular prism because the shape is triangle. Next, square prism. Next, pentagonal prism. This is the hexagonal prism. Or pyramid. This is a polyhedra having plane surface as a base and number of triangular faces meeting at a point called the vertex or apex. So in that pyramid, there is only a bottom face and all the faces that is made at the common point, and this common point is called as the apex. This is the pyramid. The imaginary line joining the apex with the center of the base is called axis of pyramid. This is the axis. This is the edge. This is the base. Now this is the classified triangular pyramid, square pyramid, next pentagonal pyramid and hexagonal pyramid. Next, solids of revolution. So when a solid is generated by revolution of a plane figure about a fixed line axis, then such solids are named as the solids of revolution. Solids of revolution may be following types. First is cylinder, cone, sphere, ellipsoid, paraboloid and hyperboloid. So first is cylinder. A right regular cylinder is a solid generated by the revolution of rectangle about its vertical side, which remains fixed. This is the axis. Okay, this is the fixed point. This is the rectangle. Now it will move toward the axis. Okay, look at this is drawn as a cylinder. This is a cylinder. It's a right regular cylinder is solid generated by the revolution of rectangle. This is the rectangle and this is revolve is completely around the axis. This is the base. Right circular cone is a solid generated by the revolution of right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle is completely all about the axis. Look at. So this is a cone. This is called as the axis, this is called as the base, and this is called as the generators. Now important term. First, edge or generator. For pyramids or prism, edge are the lines separating the triangular faces or rectangular faces from each other. For cylinder, प्रिज्म और पिरामिड में क्या होता है, जो ट्रायंगुलर फेसेस को सेपरेट करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, उसको हम एजेस कहते हैं. लेकिन सिलेंडर में क्या रहता है, नंबर ऑफ जनरेटर्स रहता है, उसमें एजेस नहीं रहते. उसका अपेक्स, तो जो कॉमन पॉइंट रहता है कोन में हो गया, पिरामिड्स में हो गया, देखो इस पॉइंट को हम क्या कहते हैं, अपेक्स कहते हैं. और ये क्या हो गया, एजेस, और इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, जनरेटर्स. This is the faces, this is the axis, this is the edge, this is the generator axis, and this axis. For cone and pyramids, axis is an imaginary line joining center of the base of the apex. For cylinder prism, axis is an imaginary line joining centers of the bases. The right solid. A solid is said to be right solid if its axis is perpendicular to its base. If its axis is perpendicular to the base, this is called as the right solid. Next, oblique solid is called as the oblique solid when the axis is inclined to the base. Next, regular solid. So a solid is said to be regular solid if all the edges of the base or the end of the face solid are equal in length and from regular plane figure. Frustum solid. If we cut a plane by parallel to its base, it is called as the frustum of solid. This is the, when a pyramid or cone is cut in parallel to its base, thus removing the top portion, the remaining lower portion is called as the frustum. Next, truncate. When a pyramid or plane is cut plane inclined to its base, the remaining the top portion, remaining lower portion is called the truncate. There is some cases. The first case is axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to both VP and PP means profile plane. This is the axis perpendicular to HP. This is HP, this is VP. The axis is perpendicular to HP and this is the parallel to both VP and PP. So this is the top here, A, B, C, D. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is the axis. And this is the front view. The second case is axis perpendicular to VP and hence parallel to both HP and profile plane. Okay, so look at here. This is the axis is perpendicular to VP. This is the front view. Look at here the name A1, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is the top. This is the projections. This is the top. This is the second case. Next, third case is axis is perpendicular to both HP and VP and parallel to PP. So this is the third case. We have already covered all types of problems. This is only the revision classes. This is the front view, this is the top view, and this is the side view. Next classroom. This is the first problem. A right regular pentagonal prism, side of base 30 mm and height of axis 75 mm, rest on HP on one of its base corners. Look at here, on one of its base corners, such that its long edge containing that corner is inclined to HP at 60 degree by its position. So problem is pentagonal prism, side base is 30 mm, height 75 mm, and HP on one base corners. This is the reference line, explain. This is our pentagon and is based on base of its corners. Side is 30 mm. This is the naming A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Look at the A1, B1. This name shows for the bottom face, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This name shows for the top face. Here is the access point. This is the height 75 mm. All projections will go into the upper side and show with respective points over all the points. This is the front. Now our second position is inclined at 60 degree. Okay, so inclined at 60 degree. so अभी हमने क्या किया, ये जो पोर्शन है इसको क्या किया, 60 डिग्री इसको इंक्लाइन कर दिया. अब इसको क्या करेंगे, पोजीशन ड्रॉ करेंगे सभी पॉइंट्स के. क्या किया हमने, इसका पोजीशन नीचे ले लिया, इसका भी ले लिया, इसका भी ले लिया और इसका भी ले लिया, इसका भी ले लिया. ठीक है, और इसको क्या करेंगे, हम पॉइंट मार्क करेंगे, तो इसको ज्वाइन कर देंगे. यह आपका प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर प्रॉब्लम्स. Next problem is a tetrahedron of 40 mm long edges placed on the HP. On one of its edges such that the face containing that edge is inclined to HP at 30 degree and the same edge is inclined 45 degree to HP toward the position of the solid. Again, definitions is the tetrahedron A, B, C, D. This type of all problems we already covers. The height inclined at 30 degree. Mark these points. This is the solution. So this is the complete solution of problems. So देखो हमने क्या किया था, अभी टेट्राहेड्रन की पोजीशन हो गई, इसका हमने यहाँ पे फ्रंट व्यू निकाला. उसके बाद क्या किया, उसको हमने 30 डिग्री से इंक्लाइन कर दिया. यहाँ के पोजीशन नीचे लेके आए, यहाँ के पोजीशन इधर लेके गए. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद हमने क्या किया, ये जो सरफेस है तो इसको 45 डिग्री से क्या किया, इसका इंक्लाइन कर दिया. ठीक है, और इसका पोजीशन लेके हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इसको व्यू को ड्रॉ किया. ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया हमारे पूरा. इसका नेक्स्ट आएगा आपका कोन का प्रॉब्लम. कोन डायमीटर उसके 60 mm. दिस आर द जनरेटर पॉइंट्स. ओके, 60 डिग्री से इंक्लाइन कर दिया, उसको पोजीशन नीचे लेके आए, पोजीशन पॉइंट मार्क किया, इसको ड्रॉ कर दिया. इसको 30 डिग्री से इंक्लाइन करेंगे. This is not problem. This is the two homework problems. This is the problems. Okay, I want to. Thank you.